Want to turn your PowerPoint file into a dynamic presentation in seconds? In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to import your slides directly into Prezi Present. To build a brand new presentation, click Create New and choose a template. In the Prezi editor, click Media, PowerPoint, and upload a file. Select the slides you want to add, and Prezi instantly converts them into interactive frames that you can later customize. If you prefer to add your PowerPoint slides to an existing Prezi, simply open your presentation, go to Media, then PowerPoint, upload your file, and insert the slides you need. You can move, resize, rotate, and rearrange everything on the canvas. If your slides have a solid background, you're able to hide it, allowing your content to blend more seamlessly with your presentation. You can also change the order of your frames anytime by dragging and dropping the thumbnails in the left sidebar. After you've imported your slides, you can add more content to your presentation, such as new frames, animations, story blocks, charts, videos, and so on. Now you're ready to preview your Prezi presentation to see how your imported slides flow. Don't forget to share your new interactive presentation and subscribe for more Prezi tutorials.